All right. I'm gonna clear all my charts. Make sure that I can. All right. So my. All right. That's cool. All right, guys. Welcome back again. It's your boy AB the Ghost. You already know. Um, this week was a wild week. It was a little. It was a little crazy week we had here. It wasn't even NFP, and I think NFP week is next week, if I'm not mistaken. Um, I'll take a look at that right now. Might as well. Already have the thing open. Forex Factory is up. You already know. Gotta have that. Um, let's see. I just want to go straight there. All right, September 1st. Yes, we have NFP, non-farm and actually no. Oh, we don't. Next week is not NFP week. Wow. All right, so that means it's the following week. Whew. You're in for a big surprise then, y'all. Wait, why? Am I missing something, y'all? One, two. All right, let's see. Am I missing something? Nah. Wow. Okay, so I guess it is on Friday because it's non-farm employment change. Yeah, this, you know, and then they have unemployment rate that goes along with it, and yeah, so next week is gonna be a crazy week. Let's just unemployment claims, so that's gonna give us a slight preview of what we're looking for Friday. Um, yeah. All right, so we know what's going on next week. This week was crazy, so we already know next week is going to be even more insane when it comes to this trading. Um, wow, it's a bank holiday for GBP on Monday. Okay, so I guess we'll look forward to trading euro. Yeah, we're gonna be probably. I'm probably gonna have to trade the euro. All right. Anyway, let's get into it. Like I said, this past week was crazy. There has been a lot of see, a lot of a lot of movement, and what I typically like to do is just I want to go over what happened. Basically, that's all I want to do. And I want to speak some words of encouragement because I needed it yesterday. I needed to hear some things, and it's crazy because the times that we live in is crucial. If you're brand new to trading, you're in at the right time because let me tell you something. Um, even with ICT himself, Michael, he keeps mentioning it, mentions it over and over and over, and he just wants to prepare us for the future. And by doing so, he puts himself out there so people like us, people who want to trade or need to trade or just need an extra form of income or even to replace the original form because the job market right now is shit. It's crap, I should say. It's crap. So I say that, people say, oh, we at war amongst the classes. No, not necessarily. I feel like we're at war with ourselves. And I say that because, I mean, yes, there is a class war, but there's, and yes, there's certain things that hinder us from breaking out of the class, like the current class that we're in, whether it's the lower class or the upper lower class or the lower middle class or the middle class or the upper middle class, and whatever class you're in, you're fighting to get out of to move up to the next level. And trading is a way that you can actually do that. There is no one stopping you, right? There's no one stopping you but yourself from being great at being a trader. There's no one stopping you from being great. So you know what? I'm gonna give that speech later on, and I'm just gonna go over the market review for the week, the past week, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do for right now. But I'm gonna definitely I'm gonna get into what I want to say in regards to some people needing to pick me up or something like that. All right. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the DXY. We are like starting off with the DXY. This is what we do. Um, so this level here raised an eyebrow for me, right? This level here raised a major eyebrow, like my eyebrow flew up. And after watching ICT Secret Order Block, um, his video. I'm sorry, I had a long day. I actually currently still work. You know what I'm saying? So I work and trade at the same, not at the same time, but I do it as if I'm a full-time trader and a full-time employee. So that's why I'm trading so I can get up out of that. But I'll talk more about that later. So what I saw, we take a look at the dollar first. That's what I like to do. And I look at it on a higher time frame. So if you have seen that secret order block video, or if you haven't seen it, please type it in. Just say ICT's order block, and then the video will come up. It's a long video, but please watch it because it helps out a whole lot. It helps out a whole lot. Also, if you don't know about the MMXM, the market maker buy and sell models, please, please do your research on that. Please look that up as well. ICT market maker, just say ICT MMXM videos, and you will see ICT's market maker videos, and then you please look at those. Those are mandatory. You have to watch those videos. Please also see Zusi and his videos with the MMXM series. He has like a few videos. Those videos are really good. And don't forget about my boy, let me see, Shuri FX, right? Don't forget about him because he teaches it really well too. All right. And I'm probably gonna watch his video over again. But those videos are really good.
At Cook Unity, no two chefs look
Sorry, I'm
alike.
sorry.
Our goal here isn't to achieve sameness.
All right, there we go. Sorry about that. All right, so let's get into the market. All right, so we this instantly drew like I seen this and especially after watching that video this past week, I was like, all right, boom, I just started marking up on the higher time frame to see where else I could go and find other highs that are possible that could be possibly hit, right? So yeah, let me clear this because this was this was crazy too. All right. So I looked on USD Swiss, I looked on GBP USD, and I looked on Euro USD as well. So we have basically the same structure here and there. And of course, with the USD pairs, it's going to be in reverse. So I just wanted to, you see, yep, it's in reverse. So I just wanted to make sure that we can see that, you know what I'm saying? So we have that there. Everything is cool. Everything is great. All right. So when I looked at the chart for the dollar, I figured that we would, if we're starting here, you would have to reach up, and that was on the daily. And I saw these two highs taken. So obviously, after you have a drawing liquidity, it likes to pull back and continue up higher. So that's exactly what it did. Now, guys, when it comes to the market maker series and how price continuously, and it happens all the time, no matter what, all time frames, even the 1 minute, all the way up to the monthly, the weekly, the daily. The daily, the weekly, the monthly. I should have said it like that. You already know. Anyway, that alone is the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen, and I don't know why it took me so long watching ICT's videos, and I don't know, like it's just I guess it's the way his delivery. I guess it's just his the way he delivers the message. It it doesn't come off as clear to me. It doesn't mean that he's not a good teacher because he is. He's a good teacher. He's an excellent teacher. But I guess it's from my point of view, my form of understanding. It was hard for me to grasp. So I had to lean towards someone or some people who I know trade ICT concepts that also have that down, if you get what I mean. So right now, we, it obviously was a bullish trend. I'm actually thinking that it's going to reverse. We just hit this high. We had a news event. The news event actually went right into the zone. but the news event did not go have make price go above the zone. So that was good. I had to make sure of that. So once this was clear, I knew that on GBP and on the euro, that price would go down into this area here, which is a nice order block. Beautiful, beautiful bullish order block right here. So once I saw that, I was like, all right, price is up here. It's going to come down. Price was up here on Monday. Yep. And it came on down. Now, there's something else that I would like to, I'm going to actually go into it. I'm going to go into it. Price didn't actually come to the 50% yet. And I feel like it's, it's going to actually, it already retraced, but it's going to come back down. We're going to go into a lower time frame. However, the euro, there was a order block right here, a beautiful, beautiful order block. And price did go into that. I actually hit it. Just hit it. It just hit, right? That's all right. There we go. And okay. I don't know why, but before it did, I don't know, maybe I had it marked up wrong. So it didn't hit, but it's pretty freaking close, as you can see. Oh, it did. Yeah, it's like right there on it. But I feel like it's gonna do the same thing. It's gonna retrace like it did, and it's gonna come back down. Anyway, price. What was this? This was Monday. So, like, it's this simple, guys. Wherever you see equal lows or liquidity, price will draw on liquidity. It's like it's always going to happen. Those two lows, and then these lows here, right across the board, from even over here going across. There's liquidity there as well. So we already knew price was going to seek. It was only right. It was only right. Right? Right. So price took liquidity up here, from here, all over the place. And then it went lower to seek liquidity down here in this build right here. So obviously the next place of going is up. We have all this liquidity from up here all the way down to here. So we have all of that. And if you go into euro, same thing. Liquidity from the top all the way to the bottom, just like that, right? So all of this needs to get taken. Everything has been taken from here and above. Liquidity was taken here. After it goes up, after there's a draw past it, it's gonna seek lower. It did a nice bullish order block. We're expecting price to go higher from there. All right. Now, I'm gonna show you the power of the order block that, and I have to let me go on a smaller time frame, and I'm gonna show you. I think I seen it on GU. Let me delete this because that's gonna get in my way. Actually, you know what? What's funny? I think it was this that made me even find the trade. It was either I think it was this or it was here. But anyway, this is a hour time frame. The order block in which he gave, it was like as if no, you know what? I'm not gonna give you like or as if. I'm actually gonna find the order block for you guys. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm about business. That's what AB stands for, by the way. All right, perfect, perfect. This right here is a wick, huge wick, right? Now it could be literally from the 50% of this long wick to the body. If it's a wick, it could be used. If you see, all right, like this candle here, right? Let's zoom into this candle. I have to explain it as if I'm teaching someone who doesn't know anything about trading. So this wick, you see this candle here with this long wick? This wick is the order block. A lot of people go for this, the actual candle, but it's actually the whole wick. It's actually the wick. Now, if the body is big like this, I'm just using just this type of candle as an example. I'm not saying that this is the order block. I'm just saying if it's a big body candle, then this would be considered the order block. So if this candle was here and it was blue, this candle, you would take the entire candle, right? Let's see if I can find one. You know what? Oh, right here. Perfect. I'm gonna just use this one. Even though it's not, oh, well, actually, you know what? No. I want an actual example to go along with it too. Ah, right here. Perfect. Damn, that's all right. It's fine. All right, so when you see a body like this, when you see a body like this in small wick, smaller wick, you can actually use the body of the candle, not the wick, the body, right? Now, oh, Adam, you went through candles. Oh, what kind of order block is that goes through candles? Well, sir or ma'am, it's a breaker. This is a breaker block, which is also a type of order block. See, a lot of people, especially people that trade support and resistance or supply and demand, they don't think that you can actually go through the candle. Like this zone, this area here, they think that they can't go through it. That's false. You could. You could. As you can see, you could right here. This is it. You could go through it. All right. Now, let's go into this. We're gonna stay on this time frame, and a lot of us trade GU. So I'm going to actually stay on the hour, and we're gonna stay on GU. Right now, matter of fact, I think this. I think it was it. Anyway, you know what? Stick to what the actual thing is. Okay. So now we're gonna go into the market maker series real quick, and I want you guys to get an insight on what I mean by market maker series. All right, so I'm gonna give y'all two things. Oh shoot! All right, market maker buy model, right? Also known as right market maker buy model is literally this. That's all. And then a little breakdown right here, and then bow. Um, 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 um. This is your typical market maker buy model right here. Beautiful. Seeks liquidity here where it came from and just flies. Beautiful, beautiful model. And this is the market maker sell model. So I'm gonna have to put it a little bit higher. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's do it. So we have price here, right? And then we have price coming down. You know what I'm saying. This would be considered a market maker sell model right here. Now, when you see this on a chart, right, it looks different. It looks different. It's crazy because it's literally there in front of you, but you have to be the one to spot it. And it's difficult. It is really difficult just to go on the chart and just spot it, right? But it literally happens on all time frames. And when the time frame when I saw it best, honestly, was the daily. It was the daily time frame. But then that was when I first noticed it after looking at Zusi and ICT and the last person I told you guys to subscribe to. I don't want to mess up his name. But they I seen it on the hourly and then added this. And I told you guys in a lot of videos, I told you guys, yo, get this. It's free. Lux Algo Sessions. And just put the sessions that ICT gives us. And if you don't have the sessions or if you need the indicator or you don't know the times when you get the indicator, just hit me up. Literally just hit me up. Right? All right. So, and this is how we're gonna kill it. This is how this right here is gonna be this is how we're gonna kill it. This is exactly how we're gonna kill it. All right. So remember the market maker buy model and the market maker sell model, right? You see this? And you see this? All right, let's take a look. This right here is Monday from here to here. And then ICT also mentions multiple times in multiple videos that the high of the day or the low, oh, the high of the week, I'm sorry, the high of the week or the low of the week happens to take place on Tuesdays. So if it's a bearish week, if you think that price will be bearish, then the high of the week will be on Tuesday. Most likely will be on Tuesday. If it's the low, if we're bullish, most likely the high of the week, I mean the low of the week will be on Tuesday. Okay? All right. So we have that little area right here, right? What do we have here? And I'm gonna add the confirmations and all that stuff because we already see it, right? We have this. It's actually like all of this right here. But we have this consolidation area, right? We have this consolidation area just like this, right? Consolidation right here. And then we have an expansion to the upside. What do we have? Expansion to the upside, right? Expansion to the upside. And then we distribute it to the downside, just like that. Look, this expansion and it distributed to the downside. Now, people, when I seen that, especially after the news event and the news event that took place, and I caught that GU cell live with you guys. There's a couple of things that could have helped us out if we didn't get in at that top target, right? Number one, we had this order block right here that ICT clearly paints out for us, right? He paints it out in that video that I told you guys about. It's beautiful. He didn't point it out as in he pointed it out. He pointed it out as in he said this is the order block. You get what I'm saying? So now we know that price is in this like a distribute like literally it's like reaccumulation. That's basically what it did. It reaccumulated and then it is gonna go down to take out these like mad lows right here. It's hard for me to explain it, but the people that know, I know you know. I know you know. Let me take this off real quick. Those are the fractals. My fault, y'all. Those help me paint a picture too. I get into that much later. Okay, so this here was painted. Price literally trades down. We have these relative equal lows here. Well, right here. And with all this liquidity down here, where would we target? If we know that we have the consolidation, expansion, and like even if you use the power three, right? The power three, consolidation, manipulation, and expansion, right? If you use that, the power three move, then that would have been a good way to do it. But at the same time, a lot of people don't understand that what they just traded was a market maker sell model. And it's just that easy because it happens over, and over, and over again until it gets to where it needs to go. Do you did y'all see what just happened? Look, it's crazy. Consolidation, right? The consolidation phase. Then it moves up high and then it breaks down lower, taking out the lows. You can trade this literally every freaking day. Every day. It's crazy, right? You can trade this literally every day. Now, you have the market maker buy model too. You have a few of those. You see what I'm saying? You have a few right here. This is on a Monday. You see this? It's Monday. Monday. Drives down. Tuesday. Wow. Wednesday. Thursday is the high. So you have a potential target, which is this fair value gap right here. Sunday, it consolidated and then it rushed down. Monday, like even if you use, like I'm about to just throw all the ICT stuff in here. I'm about to just throw it in here. Boom. Monday rushes the price rushes down, right? Oh, but I don't trade the market maker buy or sell models. Well, here you go. Beautiful OTE pattern right there. Optimal trade entry pattern. 8 in the morning, bow. And guess what? Little did you know, you traded the market maker buy model. And it's literally this. Do you see where you at? Do you see it? Do you literally Monday, Sunday consolidation, Monday rush down, Tuesday that fly up. Oh, but I only use order blocks to get in. I don't need the optimal trade entry. There you go. There you go. I just started seeing this and I see it everywhere now. And Zusi says it too. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. So guess what? This is a weekly overview. You know I'm gonna use it. Price rallied. Let me take this box off. I don't even need it no more. I just showed y'all the source. Showed y'all the source. I'm gonna just leave that here so we know where price is heading. So Monday, price headed up. Tuesday, it clipped where it needed to clip. Notice the time. Notice the times. Monday, right? Monday, price starts to rally. New York session. That's another. That's another. That's another market maker buy model right here. It's a smaller. It's on a smaller scale, but it is what it is, and it's slanted too. But it's all right. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyway, Monday, price trades up high, taking out and breaking structure to the upside. Comes back down, optimal trade entry, and and order block entry, and it flies up, going to the order block ICT. I'm so thankful for. Clips it, sells down. News event Tuesday until London Wednesday. Goes up, taps it, bow. News event comes straight for the low. Comes back here. What did it do? Sold. Wow. Took out all the lows. That's it. EU did the same exact thing. EU did the same exact thing. I'm gonna just go through it one more time on EU so you can see that what I'm saying is real and you don't think that I'm just making this up. All right, my bad. Let me just find the date. Friday, Sunday. You know what? Right here. Monday. Monday at Monday 12. Wow. Monday 12. Price consolidated during Sunday, right? Consolidated during Sunday. Breaks up higher, comes back down. Nice trade entry to the high of the week. Tuesday, high of the week. Takes out liquidity and breaks down. Look at the time. Same time, 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. And you literally could have caught the entire week's trade off of the same market maker sell model. Can you believe that's what I wanted? This is what I wanted to show y'all. Imagine you doing a funded account and you're funded and you catch this whole week's range, risking 1% of the account. Because we gotta be like, ICT was shouting out the females, the female traders. We need to start being like them. You're right. He's right. 100%. Because I myself like to over leverage. If I know my fellas know what I mean, and I know some women they like to over leverage too. I'm not gonna say names, but there are some out there. But we all would like to over leverage. But imagine this one time you did, and you caught 160 pips the whole week range. You actually you actually made more than that because you caught this trade going up to Tuesday, right? Say you caught this entry right here. Yeah, you already made over 200 pips for the week. So imagine you did that on a funded account, $100,000 account, and you caught over 200 pips for the week. Oh my! I don't know if y'all see what I'm saying. I am not a financial advisor nor a financial professional. Everything that I say is for educational and entertainment purposes only. And entertainment purposes only. Whatever happens in the past may not dictate the future. Whatever whatever results I get may not be the same results that you get. So I'm not promising you what I'm saying is going to happen for you. But I can say if you gain the knowledge, right? If you gain the knowledge, if you take time and what sacrifice an hour, sacrifice an hour a day, lose 1 hour of sleep. If you could, watch a video every night of ICTs, study, write notes. If you already take an hour, add another 30 minutes, add another hour. If you could, I know some people be there like, oh, I'll get to it, or I'll do it later. You know what? I don't feel like watching ICT right now. I don't feel like practicing what I want to do right now. No, please look at this from here to here, down here in 1 week. Imagine what you can do on a higher time frame. Now let me show you. I have to show you this. You guys thought it was over? Watch this. It's all right, y'all. Hold on. Got y'all right here. Y'all probably already see it now that I drew it out. What's next? What is next? I'll give you a hint. Where's the next draw on liquidity? I am not making this up, y'all. I seen some videos out there. People was going crazy with this. I seen charts of people trading wild, crazy, wild, crazy. That's almost 500 pips right there. It's about 490. And this is a daily chart. So from here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days. 5 days with $100,000 account. You know what? Because you can't hold over weekends. So all right, say you had 10,000 in your account, right? And you traded 500 pips, almost for basically 490 pips. Even with a micro lot, that would be crazy. With a micro lot, that would fill up a gas tank, right? With a micro lot, that would fill up a gas tank. Imagine with a mini. Imagine you put $100 in a trading account and you rolled 10%. Because I know people that do. I've done it. Added one mic, one mini lot, one mini, a point 10, and rolled up 500 pips. Imagine with one lot. Imagine with two lots. For my people that have the leverage 1 to 1,000, y'all be spamming them one lots. Y'all probably equal like two one lots on a $100 account, busting that bag wide open. And going into the closing, this is why I trade. This is why I trade. This is trading the community. Once you are a part of the community, yes, there's some bad people and there's some good people, just like in every community. Every community has bad and good and evil. Church has good and evil. So what makes you think any other industry or any other form of work or any other thing out there that generates money has good? I'm talking to you guys for free on YouTube. I'm not expecting to be this big hit. I'm doing this for myself and to document myself. I do it so I can have more of an edge in the market. I want that edge. I love it. If you guys choose to rock with me or not, that's up to y'all. I'm not holding a gun to your head. I'm not saying this Forex is the way and the only way, but y'all can see the magic that happens here. Go on YouTube. Go search other people's videos. Search up how, and I'm gonna start doing reactions too to some of these videos. I'm probably gonna actually do a reaction tomorrow to a good video, and then I'm gonna do a reaction to a bad video, not on the same day, but I'm gonna do one good and one bad. Like I said before, we are at war between the classes. And to take yourself out of that war, this is it. This is a way that you can take yourself out of the class war. Oh, but AB, there's people that talk bad about me. You know, people don't believe in trading. And yo, listen, I lost. I know I lost a lot of money, probably over $20,000, probably even 50,000. I was trading since 2015, and I just kept adding money in, just kept adding money in. I'll blow an account, add money in, blow an account, add money in. But it's funny now because I started adding money in, and then say I start an account off with $100, and then I make $100. As soon as I make $100, guess what? I'm withdrawing that $100, so I'm risk free. Have you like just think of just think about that? Imagine investing in yourself for a trade like this with only $100, and say you came out 500. You leave the market that week with $600 after that one trade, and then you actually leave $100 in there, so you made $500 on top of having a risk-free account. There is no excuses because when a bill is when the bills need to be paid, but you don't want to go to work, or when you go to work, you want to leave early, or if you go to work, want to leave early, and you really don't feel like being there, guess what? You still have no choice because your bills need to be paid. It doesn't matter. That's why, to me, Forex matters. This changed so many people's lives. Why not yours? Why not mine? The other day, we seen somebody's life change quickly, fairly quickly, and it was bad. He bought when he should have sold. That's a risk that that person had to take. That's a risk that person took. But that's why there's courses that are free online, taught by the greatest trader for free. If you go to his channel, he has free courses on YouTube, right here on YouTube. He has free courses right here on YouTube. It's free. You don't have to pay. It's free. Knowledge, free. It's like basically handing you the key to the door that you need to open. He's inside. He's inside the building. You're at the door trying to get in. He literally opens the window and hands you the key. That's what it feels like when I had that aha moment. That's what it felt like. I'm standing there in front of the building trying to get in to learn Forex, and he opens up the door, the window, and he's like, "Here's the key." Now it's up to you what you do with that key. It's up to me. It's up to me. It's up to you. I'm here. I'm giving you a key too. I'm giving you a key to start the car to get to the building so you can get the key from the window that ICT will hand you so you can go into the door and unlock. You could go to the door and unlock the door and walk in. And when you walk in, there's endless opportunities. There's so many people that will talk bad about you. There's so many people that are probably talking bad about you. There's so many people that are going to hate on you. There's so many people that are going to wish bad on you. But little do you know, those people are wishing bad on you every day already. Before you even started doing good, they are hating on you. Because if they was not hating on you, then when you do good, they wouldn't be hating on you. They might compare themselves to you, doesn't necessarily, unless they say, how 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 come he can do that, or how come she can do that, but I can't do that. There's gonna be people running to you with their hands out. You're gonna lose friends. You're gonna lose family members. I lost friends and family members. You're gonna lose it all. But one thing that you won't lose is your mind, your heart, your soul. If you just give this your all, put it in. I started getting withdrawals this year. I started doing withdrawals this year, last year too, and at the end of last year. Then I had one big one big run up. Uh, right. I think it was either no, it was right before COVID. Right before COVID, I had a big run up. I was killing the market. I was killing the market that the end of the year of 2019 going into 2020. I was murdering the market. And I wouldn't say cocky, I got a little complacent and I didn't keep my drive going because I made the money. I thought I can just take a break and do it again. No, unless you have your craft perfected, that's where I went, that's where I went downhill. That's why I'm doing this now. I'm doing this now so I can this will help me be the best that I can be. Me helping others, me pointing others, and I wouldn't say necessarily helping, but me pointing people in the right direction. I feel like I'm doing not only a service to the community, but I'm also doing a service to myself. And that's why that's the main reason why I'm actually putting myself out there. I would never, I even said it to myself, I would never go on YouTube and try to embarrass myself in front of millions and billions of people. But here I am. No one's perfect, but I'm trying. Just like how I'm telling you to try, I'm telling you, if you sacrifice, like, all right, this morning, perfect example. I had to be at work at 12:30. I was up since 8:30 in the morning yesterday. I didn't go to bed until 6:30 this morning on Friday. I didn't go to bed until Friday 6:30 in the morning, and I had to be up by 11. I had to be actually in the shower already, all of that by 11. I had to be in the shower by 11. It's called sacrifice. I woke up at 11 and jetted to the bathroom. Wow. Went right, kicked the door down, boom, jump in, jump out, jump in my uniform to go to work. Even on my lunch break, I'm going through exactly what happened this past week. I spend time during my lunch break because I'm just now getting the market maker models. I'm just getting it. So I want to keep looking. I want to keep looking for them. I want to keep looking. Like it's everywhere. It's just you got to look. It's everywhere. Market maker sell. You get what I'm saying? It's everywhere, literally. Those are for those are the people. Those of the people that have been trading and they feel like giving up. Please don't. Please don't. If you need to take a break, go ahead, take a break, but do not give up. Time is winding down. Each and every day, our freedom is slipping away from us. And I'm talking about people that have middle class and lower. Even if you're in the upper middle class, it doesn't matter. You're not part of the 1%. It doesn't matter. Upper middle class down to the low class. Time is winding down. So when we have no freedom, it's coming. We clearly see it's coming. There will be a day when we will own nothing. We will have nothing. Everything will be taken from us. We will have no freedom. We have to do everything that the government tells us that we have to do. And it's coming. It's going to come. We don't know if it's gonna happen in our lifetime, but it's on its way. We see it. It's right over the hill. It's right there. I do not want that for my family. I do not want that for my family. I don't want that for any of us. That's why I trade. You ever walk into work already not having a good day? You just want to walk out, but you can't. Then your boss comes over to you and tells you, "Oh, you're not doing why you're not working as fast as you should, or why you're not doing this a certain way, or why is your job performance not up to par? But I need you to do more. I need you to do this. I need you to move fast. I need you to." Then you completely shut down. Let this be your motivation. Let this be your motivation for you to get through your day. Watch affirmations. Say it to yourself that you're going to be a great trader. Believe in it too. Saying is one thing, but you have to believe it. We need to prepare ourselves for what's coming in the near future, in the future. For some people already, Forex has been really great to them. It's helped them out. And if it helped them out, then it can help you out too. Don't give up. Once you get it, you got it. Once you see it, once you see it, you can't unsee it. I'm about to just look. Oh my God, right there. This is huge too. Oh my God. You can't unsee it. And it goes higher. But that's just on a smaller scale. It goes a little higher, right? Psych, it goes much higher. Oops. See how excited I get? You saw how excited I got? It went much higher than that. Imagine you getting in here and riding this all the way to the top right here. Imagine that. That's damn near 2,000 pips. 2,000 pips. Look at this. Another one. Wow. Even the smaller ones are even good. I don't understand. I haven't seen it. This is crazy. This is the type of trade I want to be able to get in and not have to worry about checking my phone every 5 minutes or checking my phone every hour. This is how many days is this? From here to here is 60 days. That's 2 months. 2 months for it looked like 1,000 pips over. Let me see. We're gonna do it. 2 months for how many pips? All right, 2,000 pips basically. So basically, 2 months for 2,000 pips. Now, if you did 2,000 pips on a mini, you came up. You came up. You do 2,000. You do 2,000 pips on a freaking standard. On a standard. On a standard. That's what I'm trying to go for. That's exactly what I'm trying to go for. I'm trying to be able to hold. I'm gonna have an account with 1,000. I'm a throw a standard on that. That's over leveraging, but I'm hoping that I'm not hoping. I'm gonna do a lot of research first, but I will do it, and I will obviously show that I'm actually doing it too. So where I got in, where I'm trying to head to, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna end the stream here because if I don't, I'm not gonna stop. But I can't urge, like I can't express how I feel when I hear people saying that they want to quit. It's right there. Look, you can't when you see it, you can't unsee it. It's crazy. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. And you get in both ways. Like you get in both ways. Here on down here. Look, guys, like I said, sacrifice. That's all I can say. It's worth it. It is worth it. All right. So until next time, you guys be safe. And we obviously can't trade this weekend, but unless you're trading synthetics and stuff, please look. Y'all shouldn't even be trading anyway. Put all the trying to trade and whatever. No, weekend is for studying. The week is for putting in the craft. The weekend is for studying, and the week is for putting the studying into motion. Spend time if you are like trading consistently and you are a regular trader and you like I know those people. I know y'all. Y'all keep doing what y'all doing. Please make time for your family as well. That's important. Make time for your loved ones. I had to do that on I think it was yeah, I did it Wednesday. Wednesday I did it. So yes, make time for your family. I didn't stream on Wednesday because I made time for family. So please do that and study and don't be scared of the stuff that I mentioned in the chat. I mean, not in the chat, in the video earlier in the stream, because things are going to happen, and we just can't control it. But what we could control is how it will affect us. Because if we have a good financial standing, then we would know if, hey, do I need to get just hypothetical speaking, another vaccine? Do we have to get a vaccine? Or I don't have to go that route because I don't need to get a vaccine. It's not going to be forced on you anymore because you have the funds to say, you know what, I don't need that job. I'm good right now. I'll stay home. Or, you know what, the United States is not working out for me. I'm thinking about moving elsewhere, another country. And then guess what? You have the money to get dual citizenship or citizenship in another country. And then guess what? You still have time and money to be able to do what you need to do to get out of the the, the chaos. I'll just say the chaos. So please, yes, I can't beg you anymore because I'm done begging. I'm not even begging. I'm just stressing the fact that what is coming is not going to be pretty. Until next time, stay safe. Happy studying.